Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kidan san Khynnah naga school All Saint Higher Secondary School. Kibla yo Rung ka top 20 jangka secondary school living certificate mentau snam. Naga school kibya khoni ka matrik baro kidan shispa lai prangon bat baro shispa lai prangon ki pas bah. Ka principal jangan ke school ke doktor ke dalin kharkrang klapen pau jung sngo kemen namar baga school ke yo ya uso obah daily baga jing Trei Shitom jong Khynnah bat ga jing Trei Shitom ru jong Nonghikai. Habakar lokasi guidebook ke doktor ke dalin kalaong baga syong kijat Khynnah dan ki bakham tot kishim jingarap negasi guidebook hindai kitu ki bakham biang kishim jingarap lang negasi guidebook ru bat naga kot puli ru hindai kamdai e bigishan ya teli hakasi guidebook.
What you will do? So, how do you feel? Happy, right? All your hard work is paid off?
Kata kadang di kapur ada bu kapur ban TV ban kayak kekat ban phone kapur kayak kapur bang tai ada bu kayak kat itu lagi pantas kan bayo pun tu tai nggak tengah ngambil balik saya stream tengok saya di college kata yang masih tanghai medical Indonesia. Ini kami tiada kawan semua semua ilmu membuat dan dekatnya. Ada orang sedang kena exam. Hari ini pak, begini kayak di balik dalam yang ada seperti.
I guess I do not have a specific amount of studying hours. I just studied whenever I felt like I was not disciplined at first, but then when the exams came near, I grew very tired and stressed, and then I started studying 8 or 7 hours like that. At first, I was very distracted by my mobile phones, and I kept checking the mobile, even if just to search things up, and then I used to get distracted. But what is the major thing required to tackle this problem is just that your will should be nice. Your will should be very strong to overcome this problem. My dear teachers and my dear mother, obviously. I did not study like that. For English, I used to study only a little bit because I find it easy. For social science, I took more time because I did not like it at first. Like that. I just plan to stay consistent, through all my future encounters.
Dia kebaningkong ya nan ai ngoi show yo oblay mau la long kersan yang penpenla yang bende kini ki baro nang ta dia kadang koi ke trick befin manage ya kapor dia ngite baro ni long e thai ka social media long ni spend time ha mo ha ka phone ni tang ba de hakini ki por exam khamta me ha ka por preparation pat fidan kam shisha ken ban long dedicated long ban long determined dia ka phone ka de ka way na ki distractions ngam ong pa ka ditang ki disadvantage lo ki advantage lo ki don namar fila ban fi browse mo ki dan ki balong important tang ba ka phone pat ka long ka distraction namar ba kane ka hinder no ya ka self study period jong ki Khynnah ken ka distract no ya ka balong important ken ka ba ki de pan focus ka dan ki book se te fila ban le research ki dan ki Nonghikai school ni fila ban ke libit na ki information maki yob first hand information hi amunta ngalaban kum tu ngapuli god pragan tae tambah kam de continuous part instead na shimpor adin tae kum tu hadian shim ken break kum tu 15 minutes time and then resume biang ki studies from fi hadian kum tu janmi ru or adin ta kum tu pipya te along full 8 hours ken fila apa ban full concentration dari efficient breaks ru happen Nishna show the routine. Let's show iwe is subject back. Pendap show baro. Hadian bisa move on back to the next subject. Yeah, kilang lain. Takut. Iwe te kilang kata hi time management period. Te hadian part hakane kapor lombang alat lang tadi matric exams ken. Te la put a hold shisha ken. Ngalam buckle up shisha yang lebih naman hatep kene kapalong serious pa. Kede first most important exam kejungi Te kumta hi school ru kadang kidan ki slack off kita MA te lese kata kala la penduna no ki marks ki for selection ni te ki pre selection ni ru tambah kata pat nga combine nak ke nga bakal up na ina ki pat kini kita Pagkasyan mo rin, yung kong doon din natin, nga duay, nga lecture mani, nga paan ka, jingkasyan, nga laban pulikat, kamtang do kabor, mga laban pulikat. Ta hadiyan pa, nga doon ruban ay nyo ikinahikay, diba doon hikat lang ba na? I-support, i-principal na, hadiyan kibon, yung family members yung ki ay mo rin support, nga baro kinonghikay rin ki-encourage ba. Ita, namot siya niya ka science stream.
Pidan jing temu you.
Ngadon cikgu banyak kuliah medical.
Thì kebening kong kwa ban ong mga kwa ban ayu yu ble man kade ka cimpuni aj ble hi kebening la man kum ki briut nama dala ding nam la ban ni mo te manga ku bi principal kino hikai ku no hikai ru ni le hi ro jang duty bang di bang le man bitin nim ti ki Khynnah mo hari ka bakut kade ka jingkut ku ju ble la pila ini ka ki Khynnah jeni ba ai la ki bekin ya le ka exam ban po she ka ni ka thong ka bora ka buram tang yaki le ka school hi kumju pa dio try nong bu jeni kumju no te ngamut ban ngakwa ban ong baki Khynnah sha kila kle Shitom namal bani la ni ru ka school ni encourage ni ka support ki ka bagi dot kam te kum ka school hi ni ru ni smo comment shibun ba haduk sanut ki Khynnah kila ban po shi ka ni ka merit list nolor kata ru ka pass percentage ko 100% pass percentage te kalong shisha ka jingkeman ka bakra ni school ko jangni but nga ai mu ru shisha ki no hikai ki bala hikai ki ni Khynnah na du ka class bagi daw na ki nursery kum tu ter hadu ki na pon shi class ki bakha he tinga so ba ka jing Trei lang jong barok khat ka don kti ha ka ni ka jingyo ka jing job jing school ko jangni ta challenges ki bon mo har ru kom ki challenges the challenges ka way academic challenges the competition is very tough nowadays mo the Khynnah ru ki habban nama ki don school ki compete tang paramaki the we have which I awareness ki ba kunu ban go ahead for board exams maka competition ka kam long broader ki habban compete with thousands and thousands of students mo the at times ki long stressed out but ni don ki counseling ni shi le ki kanang ba amdi bakin shu ban long so over stress when it comes to exam kini ai ru ka schedule kum no bakin prepare for exam mo kang baki laban overcome any ki challenges number man tangam ong tagi Khynnah gi bon merit list hari ni tik care du na du ki bakham duna ka jing mo ka jing puli joki ka jing kot ko joki ban puli kini le kum do ban overcome kini academic challenges we should prepare kini ki study timetable ki nang baki course shifti ki laban follow ki laban prepare ke for baki don hayi mo next study time dikata di academic challenges and then other challenges like the generation change technology the at times kilong kulmar ki kimla ban mo ban discipline la jong ban ka phone no ma bu ki Khynnah mo ka don social media the bun ba ki spend time on social media and then the spend time how to at times ki don ki issue ba ki face how to it creates some kind of issues ba think she wants to school she don ki panic attack no ba hapo apa friend circle hapo social media kita ada ki challenges ki ban ni ku ka school ni habban take care ni habban I counseling ni kiman ka for kum no ban mo ban spend time tang khandiat ka screen time ban kan concentrate ka studies check kila don jadi Khynnah class 10 ku pa ka board exam mo and then challenges kum ki students of class 10 be kidan hi lagi jong ki challenges peer challenges kum baki ong but ki teachers ti kidan back every time with them kila ban guide ki kan whether it's like more emotional challenges interaction the kidan students ki badan difficulty in interact but ki teachers will clarify ki doubts tu ni ju conduct kita ki coaching class ki students ki ba khamduna ki shed one ki coaching class ki shed interact but ki teachers one on one personally kan thing I feel kini ki steps ki bangi shim like rap shibon ki Khynnah jeni kan makin excel this year kasi impact book kaya rap mo dia ki Khynnah namar bangi don different variety of criteria of students kidan kitu ki below average kidan kitu with very high IQ level ne I feel di banang ban use kanya karu di ba fin depend totally on it hari berfinang ban utilize both namar ba ka government or ba ki issue in KCM impact book kalau ang ban go through the textbook di ban should depend totally on it But in some way it has helped kam tan ki kena ki ba kam plot ko chin kuliah kena ba can get through. But overall ki kena ki bala ki ba kam dan ka IQ ka ba kam he ki nang hi ban kuliah beyond the CM impact book, beyond the textbook. Kari barabor he ni should encourage ba kin kuliah lang kasi CM impact book ko ki ban kuliah ka textbook ba ki ban kuliah. Ki notes ki teachers ki ayah ki. Ki1 mix nam ong ba kin Ki1 mitang CM impact ko long mix. Mo naman na textbook ki dan ki questions ki bawan te nimla ban ong ba totally ka din CM impact book.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.
Skoda.